Assalamu alaikum to everyone. In this video I am going to show you how we can reset a WordPress website with a plugin. So resetting a WordPress website will delete posts, pages, comments, themes and plugins also. And if you have an e-commerce store, it will delete your products also. So without wasting any time, let me just open my website. Let me enter my username and password. Click on login. Once you log in, here you can check that in left hand side that there are few plugins installed like WooCommerce, Marketing, Elementor. So for resetting a WordPress website, you can go for plugins and click on add new, and in the search bar you can write WP reset. And here you can install this plugin named as WP Reset Most Advanced WordPress Reset Tool by WebFactory Ltd. Click on install and then simply click on activate. Once it is activated, scroll down and then click on open WP Reset Tools. So here is an information about this plugin. For Pro, just scroll down and you can check that site reset options. I don't want to reactivate WP Reset plugin, and now click on reset. Click on reset site, confirm. Now wait few seconds. Once it is done, you can check that on left hand side that our plugins and themes are removed successfully, and here you can check your website again. And now your WordPress website is refreshed just like a new. So if this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.